Now, the students, with the help of media technology, they can have access to the global scenario. What is going on? What kinds of methodology are being used in different countries? They can be aware of different kind of methodologies. So here it globalizes education. Not only education, but in fact everything, morality, ethics, everything. Now, why media technology a must for Saudi learners? Actually, here I don't mean only Saudi learners, but all EFL learners. My presenters have put a very good information in front of me, in fact. The first reason is interference of the first language. This is natural. When EFL learners or ESL learners, they are learning the second language, this is but natural. The use of mother tongue or the sound system, the structure of the first language do affect the learning of the second language or the sound system of the second language. This is but natural. Media technology is going to solve this problem. So far as the sound system is concerned, we can 90% overcome this problem with the help of media technology. For example, some sound English alphabets don't exist in Arabic language. For example, pa. In Arabic, this is ba. So when I ask the student to pronounce people, they say bibul. Play becomes blade. Pray becomes bread. Pig, big. Like this. Pan, ban. Right? When they listen to media technology, they not only listen, but they may also observe the phonological system. I mean, this is one of the aspects of learners. Even the children, when they listen to the elders, they not only listen to the sound, but they also observe the lip movements.
Yeah.
And if the teachers are aware of the phonological system of the language, then they can explain everything and the things will become more clear. For example, I explain at this point to my students that the lower lip is the active articulator. Put your upper lip on the lower lip. Then you can produce the actual sound of the word. They practiced and they succeeded. Like this. I have the video. If I get time, I will show you. When first time I recorded the sound, they were not pronouncing the words because they don't know the articulation, manner of articulation, or the place of articulation. But after I explained, they come to know and they articulated the sound system very properly. Now I took 3 surveys. Survey on what the students think about various aspects of media technology, survey on impact of media technology in improving accentual patterns of English words, survey on the impact of media technology in improving learners' writing skills. Now see 90%, even in such a country like Saudi Arabia, they are strongly agree that integration of media technology in English language teaching is indispensable. The teachers must use media technology, must use internet, must have language lab in order to teach English language. Now 70%, more than 70, they say, oh, it trains as well as entertains. Because it really provides the students with very exciting experience. They feel extremely stimulated by interacting with the native speakers or by listening to the native speakers. Now, 60% they say globalization education means, you get yourself exposed to the global scenario when you interact with internet, you browse it. And now, the statement, it kills much time and gives less benefits. 80%, more than 80%, they are against it. They say, no, it's not true. Now, traditional methods are better. 70% are disagree because they think that it ignores the experience of the learners.
15 minutes time.
As my previous participant said, the students, they are for it, right? But when they get themselves involved in such activity, they feel more motivated to learn. But a teacher as an authority, if you just give instructions, this becomes very boring for the learners. Now, the second result survey on the impact of media technology in improving learners' pronunciation. I took the first survey, I recorded the sound, okay, and the result was the performance of the student was very bad. But after they listened to the media technology, I also helped them, the performance increased.
Time, doctor.
Now, I also took a survey, the impact of media technology in improving learners' writing skill. Now, the first draft they wrote were bearing many mistakes, especially the interference of mother tongue. In Arabic language, they don't use helping verb. For example, huwa yadhhab, there is no helping verb. But English, there is helping verb. He is going. So they are most likely, and they committed mistake in the use of the structure of the sentence. They missed helping verb. But now they achieved tremendously after I explained that, okay, this is the mistake. Actually, here lies the role of the teachers. The role of the teachers, even in this scenario, is central. It is the teacher who explains everything and who gives the proper guidance. And if the students have any problem, they can explain and they learn. The learners can learn better. The conclusion is, the suggestion, all school curriculum, in all the universities and the colleges, even in the school, there must be the integration of media technology, because in future the students are going to use media technology extensively, so we must prepare the students right from the beginning. And if it is integration in the curriculum, it will certainly brings holistic improvement in the learner's personality, not only in learning but also in behavior. Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, thank
Any
you.
question, please?
I'm sorry, no question because I use more time
Okay, sorry. Okay.
for the presentation.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for the presentation.
Okay, thank you very much.
Evet, buyurun. Biraz zaman aşkına.
कर दो बंद.
एक मिनट